Alrighty, good morning, everyone. It's Friday morning. The New York Stock Exchange opens up in about 30 seconds. And we'll see what happens this morning. Got a trend line over here. We'll see if that's respected. Happens to correlate right where this pink line is, which is the 200 SMA. So we'll see. I'm expecting a little shot down and maybe a bounce back up. We'll see what happens. Good morning. Alrighty, here we go. See if it hits this line over here. I'm going to give this a few minutes to play out. Don't like this congestion going on right here. I'd like to see a definite break one way or the other, so we'll see what happens. Just being patient. Took a trade earlier this morning, just one contract, and I got stopped out real fast, but that's okay. Okay, we'll see if we can get a pullback. Okay, we're in. Oh, that's not looking good already. That may have been a little too early to get in on that candle. Yeah, that hurt. It's okay. Should have waited. I should have been patient, like I said I was going to. I didn't do it. Maybe I need to turn some music on. Ugh. I'm going to throw an order out here again. This yellow line was yesterday's high, opening high. I guess it'd be the normal trading hours at the stock exchange. That was the high. We'll see if it holds up. Okay, we're in. Okay, got a nice rejection. I'm gonna let this play out a little bit. Took one off. See if it'll come back down. Take that other one out. Nope. All right, well, we got a little bit out of the hole. I should it did hit that line though. That was beautiful. It does have the power to go through it. We don't know. Okay, here's another attempt at it. It just went through. Love to see it come back down for a bounce. It's waiting patiently, seeing what it wants to do. We got the overnight high up here, which could be a good short area. I'm going to throw this line over here. That way I can just keep track of one chart. So this yellow line right here is the same thing as this guy right here. This is a 5-minute chart. This is the 2-minute chart. Just to bring everyone up to speed. Okay, overnight highs coming into play, possibly. I'd like to see the price action actually go up through this. And then I would be interested in a short position. So that red line would be the area that I would want to get into the trade. It's not active yet, and that dotted green line is the take profit section, which that would be $100, which would wipe that $80 loss out. Okay, so it just hit it. I'm gonna let this time out at least to 1 minute. And we'll see what happens here. Okay, we're in. Goes above that candle wick. We've got to have a stop. But we'll see if we can get some shares out of here. Come on. Go. Come on down. All right, that's good. Get ourselves a winning trade here. Let this run for a little bit. Oh, nope. Well, we're getting there. Whittling away. I set this to 10, which is 5. 5 times 10 is 50. 50 will knock that out back to 0. Looks like we've got a pivot point up here. This yellow line is right there. See if that comes into play. I'm going to throw out some Fibonacci's on here. See if it wants to pull back any. 61.8 would be a good level. It's got a resistance here. We'll see. Hope everyone's having a good Friday. Pull back. Just waiting patiently. Looking for some clarity. Clarity in all this chaos. Okay, we're in for the trade here. See if we can get just a little tiny pullback. Nothing major. Come on, hit it. Gosh darn it, so close. Boy, it's stuck right there. That was ridiculous. That should have filled. And then of course I would have waited 5 seconds, would have got it. That's okay. And it is super choppy right there. What's going on? And there's the pullback to that 61.8 we talked about. Again, this yellow line was yesterday's regular trading hour high. Seems to like this area. Does not like this area right here because it can't make up its mind. Just swap this chart to the 1 minute chart. See if it can provide any clarity. Got maybe a possible breakout level right here. All right, let's see if it wants to go through. Go, come on. Oh. All right, and just like that, we went from red to green. Crazy, right? Sometimes switching different time frames can provide a little more clarity. Right there is a nice, so we got okay, here, we'll go through it. Got ourselves a nice bull flag, bull pennant right here. Sorry. That's kind of a rough drawing of it. And then you saw we put the order in there for the breakout, got the breakout, and well, that was nice. Okay, right up here is that pivot point we talked about over here. Right here, so we could see a little pullback here. There's the pullback, just broke that line. Does it want to come back to the overnight high and then bounce? It might. I'm going to throw this line right here. This yellow line represents this pivot point. We'll see if it wants to respect it, what it wants to do. Okay. Thought here is we're going to do a little pullback to the overnight high and bounce off that and come back up. We'll see. Oh, never mind. It wants to go. Whoa, something just happened. Something big. Wow. Let me check the news real quick, see if something's going on. I don't see anything. Oh, well, yeah, it looks like extraterrestrial life has been, I don't know, cosmic disclosure. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe we're being taken over by aliens, who knows? But yeah, that was quite a move right there. But I wasn't in a long position. I'll have to read that later. But yeah, very powerful bullish movement there. And then go back to the 2 minute. You know, what I should probably do is make a new chart. Sorry, brain fog there. There we go. There we go. So I got the 2 minute here. 1 minute here. Nice switch. There we go. Click on the top. Okay. No. I'm trying to prevent that menu from popping up. Doesn't like it. I don't like it. Okay, we've got another pivot point right up here. 5 minute. See if it wants to go there. I believe there's economic news at 10 o'clock Eastern, which is in about 12 minutes. You need to be aware of that. Play a pullback. Put a stop right above the high there. Now we'll see if it wants to come back. It's looking like it does not want to come back, and it did not. That's discourteous. Try again. Go. Just thinking about it. Go. Okay, got ourselves a green trade no matter what. Throw some orders out here. If we'll hit them. Says nope. I want to go back up. There's the pullback I was waiting for. Okay, we're going to play a bounce off this yellow line. Okay, we're in the trade. Drops below this level here. I'm gonna have to get out, which is gonna be super painful. There's the loss, the stop loss. Not looking good. Rough morning again. Last 2 days been kind of rough. Maybe to switch to decaf, I don't know. Okay, let's go push. Get there, push through. There we go. Okay, doing its thing. Let it go. We'll sell another one. We got 2 left. Get rid of that. Got 1 left. Now we'll let this guy run. I'm gonna throw one up here. Might get a crazy spike, you never know. This is a great place to be as a trader. Because you just don't know how high it's gonna go. We're looking good here. This will definitely be the last trade of the day. But I would love to see it just whoop, go there and knock that thing out. That'd be great. And then I've got to read about extraterrestrials, see what's going on. Looks like it's going to take me out, which that's okay. And there we go, all out. So out for 155 for the day. It's pretty good. That's actually great. I hope you'll have a great weekend, and we will catch you on the flip side. Everybody take care.